everybody, let us start reading. Welcome to our channel, Hardback. Feathered Rescue. Once upon a time in a far-off land, there lived a young boy named Jim. Jim was known throughout the village for his kind heart and willingness to help others. He was loved by everyone, especially his family, who were very proud of him. One day, as Jim was walking in the forest, he heard a faint cry for help. He followed the sound and found a small bird trapped in a snare. Jim immediately knew that he had to help the poor bird, so he carefully freed it from the snare. The grateful bird thanked Jim and promised to repay his kindness. Jim thought nothing of it and went on his way. However, a few days later, while Jim was playing in the forest, he fell into a deep pit. He cried out for help, but no one was around to hear him. Just when Jim thought he was going to be stuck in the pit forever, the same little bird appeared and asked Jim what had happened. Jim explained his predicament, and the bird flew off to find help. The bird returned with a group of animals who worked together to rescue Jim from the pit. Jim was overwhelmed with gratitude and thanked the bird and the animals for their help. From that day on, Jim learned the importance of kindness and helping others. No matter how small the gesture, he realized that even the smallest acts of kindness can make a big difference in someone's life, and that one day that kindness may be returned when we need it most. The moral of Feathered Rescue story is, kindness is a powerful tool, and the smallest acts of kindness can make a big difference in the world. So let us all strive to be like Jim and help others whenever we can, and in doing so we may one day receive help when we need it most. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hardback and step forward with us.